Now, in order to actually edit the shape itself, on the top left corner, you have the options menu and you have the edit menu. You have to go to the edit menu. You can also press tab to switch between the menus. And here you can see all of the vertices. You can select the vertices and move them with the same buttons that you used for shaping or moving the shape itself. So grabbing, resizing with the S key, or rotation with the R key. And these also apply with the directional limitations. In order to select multiple vertices, you have to hold down the Shift key and click on each one separately. So if you want to move multiple vertices at the same time, this can be very tedious if you have larger models. So instead, on the top there is proportional editing that you can enable. And this allows you to move multiple vertices proportionally, as the name implies. If you do not see this gray circle, try scrolling up or down to get the circle onto your screen. This basically dictates how much effect the proportional editing will have on how large of an area. And on the top left-hand corner, there is also a small number dictating the size of the proportional edit circle. So if it is too large or too small. Now there is another type of editing that you can use, which is Alt-S. So Alt-S moves faces in the direction that they are pointing. So this is similar to the resize, but instead of moving them in all directions to increase the size of the shape, Alt-S moves them in the direction that the actual vertices are pointing. Now, the next tool that you can use is after you have selected a couple faces, you can press E to extrude those faces. Now, this is one way of adding more polygons and parts onto your model. Once you're done editing your model, you can exit out of the edit mode with Tab, and then you can try applying the subsurface modifier onto your mesh. But make sure that you are outside of the edit mode before you actually apply.